How to log in into NatWest Bank online banking account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to log into your NatWest Bank online banking account. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to the NatWest Bank website, natwest.com, and hit enter. Once you are on the home page, look for the login button at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now, you will be directed towards the login page. You will see the option for personal and business banking. Select the personal option to proceed. Here in the login page, type in the customer number, or you can also type in the card number, whichever is suitable for you. Then tap on the continue. Then follow the login steps shown on the display. Now enter your password and make sure you type them correctly. After entering your customer number and PIN or password, click on the login button. If everything is correct, you will be logged in into your online banking account, and that's it. You are now logged in into your NatWest Bank online banking account. From here, you can check your balance, view transaction, make payment, and manage your account settings. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.